Good morning class 8. Today I'll be taking chapter number 5 in English grammar subject. This is subject verb agreement. So subject verb agreement, you can say it also concord agreement. Concord means samanjasya. So how to correlate it? So see, subject and verb must agree with one another in numbers. Subject and verb must agree with one another in number, singular or plural. Thus, if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. And if a subject is plural, its verb must be plural always. So I hope you are understanding subject verb agreement. Here the subject depends on verb and verb depends on subject. Always remember it. So class, you can see part A. Now first point, the doctors as well as the nurses work hard day and night. So correct form, I have underlined it already. So you see and try to understand it and complete it in your book. So let us go on the next part, agreement of the person of the pronoun in the present tense. Agreement of person of the pronoun in the present tense. So we are talking about the present tense. So see, with the exceptions of the verb be, the concord of verbs with persons follows the following general rule. Meaning of concord, samanjasya means correlation. Point A, the verb form with the pronouns I, we, you and they is the same. So I, we, they, you, that all are the same, the present tense. Example first you can see. Here example you can see I, we, you, they have little money left. And B point, I, we, you, they understand Russian very well. So here you can see the relation of the subject and the verb, how to relate it with each other. So now you can see in the agreement of person of the pronoun in the past and future tense, how with the exceptions of the verb be, the concord for all verbs remain the same for all the person in the past tense. I, we, he, she, it, that all are the same except very little last night. So in the simple form, I, we, he, she, we are using in another form. But in this type of sentences, we will use I, we, he, she, it, that all are in the same case, slept very little last night. So read this and try to understand this. So here you can see agreement in other constructions. Point number 8. A collective noun that is considered a single unit takes a singular verb. So here you can see the relation of the subject with the verb. Example A, you can see the hospital staff was given a special award. Hospital staff is a collective noun. This is talking about the collective noun, but we are using was given a special award. The jury has found him guilty. Here the jury is a single person, has for the single person found him guilty. So this is the concept of the agreement in other construction, and this is verb, subject verb agreement. Here point number B, fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the verb be. So children, I am interested that you have to complete this by your own knowledge, and if you are not able to complete, you can see the book, and by the help of this book you can complete your work. This basket of fruit is to be given to the Dubeis. So how to form a sentence you can see here. And a point number C, you people will complete and send it to me. This is your homework, complete it and send it to me. So class, B point, this is your classwork, try to complete it, and point number C, this is your homework, try to complete it and send it to me. Thank you class, thank you very much.